Hello and welcome to GM-BIST construction. I'm Benedict, your instructor. Today we are going to learn how to design our bus culvert using our Protastructure details 2021. So for you to begin, you have to put on your Protastructure details. Then you go to your design detail library, or on your toolbar you can see culvert. So whichever one you want to use. So if you click on your detail library, you see you have your culvert here. If you come to your toolbar, you have your culvert. So I will be using the one at the toolbar. I'll just click culvert. Now you can see a drop down menu. We have a longitudinal section of the culvert, L, which stands for length. So the length of our culvert we'll be designing will be 10 meters. That's 10,000 millimeters. Inlet angle for my design, let me see, for my design 75. Inlet elevation 350. Outlet 75. And outlet elevation 250 mm. So I'm done with this. I will now go to my cross section. Under my cross section, inlet top left, the width 200. This is 200. 200. Amount design is 200. Inlet bottom, this one 200. Inner bottom right, this side 200. So everything, all the parameters for my design is 200. Top right, this side 200. 200. Number of channels, so there's 2 channels. Once any value you input there, you see changing 3. So we're using 2 channels for my design. Channel separation 200. Thickness, so top left my thickness is 200. Let me say 250. 250. Turn 250. 250. Concrete, being concrete, because it's going to have some flow of water at the bottom. You are going to excavate. You leave it at 100 mm. So in a situation where you have a dried surface, you can actually leave it at 50. So this is the blinding. So I'm leaving it at 100. So my slope is 2. Everything here I will leave it at default. So I'll now go to head wall. So my head wall, this W1, the width, WI, my head wall should be 250. And my height, the height 250. Slope 1. Okay, width, this one still 250. Everything I've done up there, I want it to be uniform, so I will put it down here. It's 250. Slope 1. Slope. Curtain wall. So this one, WI, this 250, 250, slope 1, setting as 250, 250. I'll go to my wing wall. For my wing wall, I usually take half of the length of my drainage system. So because I'm using 10 meters, I'll leave this at 5 meters. Okay. End height of wall, which is HS. This HS. This is it. That's 600. End height of wall, HE. This one. We have 2,500. Top 200. So a slope, we're using 250. And this 250. So end slab. The thickness of my slab should be 250. 250. And depth DO. So this DO. This one should be 200. Okay. I'll now go to detail drawing. This is what I have in my design.